Imagine, you've done everything right. Came to the US on an F1 visa, worked hard, graduated from a top school, and finally landed that dream job offer. But then, your employer says, sorry, we didn't get selected in the H1B lottery this year. Just like that, your entire future depends on luck. Sound familiar? What if you could skip the H1B chaos completely and move straight toward a green card, even as a student? In 2025, that path is not only possible, it's becoming smarter. And that's exactly what every smart immigrant needs to know. Hey everyone, I'm Saiman Shetty, founder of Smart Green Card. And today we are breaking down green card options for international students, especially why the EB-1A might just be your golden ticket if you want to be a smart immigrant in the US. Most international students follow the same plan: F1, then OPT, then H1B and green card later. But here's the truth. The H1B system is broken. It's lottery-based, capped, employer-dependent and filled with delays. You could have the best job and still lose your status because of a random draw. Even if you win the lottery, your future depends on your employer's willingness to sponsor, and that can change any day. So instead of waiting for years under this unstable system, a smart immigrant looks for a better path, one that leads directly to long-term stability. That's where employment-based categories come in. Let's make this simple. EB-2 for people with a master's degree or exceptional ability. But there's a catch. You need an employer sponsor, complete the PERM labor certification, and then wait in the backlog, sometimes for years, especially if you're from India or China. EB-3 for bachelor's degree professionals or skilled workers. But this one's even slower. Many Indian professionals wait 10 plus years before getting their turn. By then, your entire career might have moved on. Now EB-1, the highest priority category. It includes EB-1A, extraordinary ability, EB-1B, outstanding professors, researchers, and EB-1C, multinational executives. The one you need to focus on is EB-1A, because you can self-petition. No employer, no sponsorship drama. You just need to prove your extraordinary ability in your field, like research, science, tech, arts, or business. Most students think EB-1A is only for Nobel Prize winners. Not true. You don't need to be a celebrity in your field, but you do need evidence that you've made a real impact. Publications, patents, leadership roles, or recognition from experts. And here's why EB-1A is a smart immigrant move. You're not tied to an employer. Skip the PERM process, often complicated and long in employment-based green cards. Shorter wait times for Indians may qualify for O1A as criteria overlap. So instead of waiting and praying for H1B selection, you can start building your EB-1A profile right now, even while you're on F1 or OPT. Let me ask you, if you could skip years of H1B uncertainty and directly secure a green card, would you take that chance? Drop your answer in the comments. Here's how a smart immigrant prepares strategically while still in school. Take research or publication opportunities seriously. They are powerful evidence. Pursue meaningful leadership roles. Lead projects or startups that show real impact. Get involved in your field, present at conferences, join professional associations, or review academic work to demonstrate recognition by peers. Keep track of every achievement or award. It'll matter later. Start building your profile early. The credibility you gain now can speed up your path to self-petitioning and independence later. Let's be honest, EB-1A isn't easy. It's meant for the top professionals who've shown they stand out. But with the right profile building strategy, it's very achievable, especially for students in tech, research, or STEM fields. Meanwhile, many universities and companies are quietly cutting back sponsorships due to rising H1B costs and uncertainty. That means relying on employer petitions is getting riskier. And EB-1A gives you back that control. So here's the takeaway. If you're an international student in the US, don't just chase the H1B. Start preparing for your EB-1A green card early. It's tougher, yes, but it's also faster, more independent, and truly future-proof. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's stuck in H1B uncertainty. And if you're serious to stay ahead as a smart immigrant and building a winning EB-1A profile, check out our Smart Green Card Ultimate Plan. It's built from real insights behind 200 plus approved EB-1A cases. You'll get a clear, proven roadmap from understanding eligibility to filing with confidence. Link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.